My name is Sergio Correa. I'm a graduate Salina Tech from 2001 from Auto Collision Repair Program. Um, been ever since been involved in repairing cars, from owning a shop and working in various different shops. What's led me to the Matrix Wand where I'm at now. With my experience, I was able to bring the technical aspect to the Matrix Wand. So yeah, as a young age, what really got me into vehicles and cars and working on cars was actually working with my dad. He'd do all the maintenance on the vehicles, and I would always be around. So he'd have me help him. A lot of times it was just to hand him a tool to get into tight areas where he just couldn't fit his arms in, and that's kind of what led me into working on vehicles. And from there, as a small kid, building model cars and to working on custom bicycles and building them. Wanted to take mechanics, auto tech, and at the time when I signed up when I was in high school, they were full, and so I took auto collision just to kind of get my foot in the door, and actually ended up liking it, and that's what's got me to where I'm at now. My position at Matrix Wand is the Director of Technical Support and Technical Training, so I help establish all the training needs and build the training modules for our technicians that get trained, that take our courses. And I also do all the live support that's needed on call. We also do remote, and then I also help out, do a lot of the R&D and for our products. So what I brought to Matrix Wand is I was able to bring the technical aspect of knowing how to work on vehicles. At the time, Matrix Wand didn't have anybody with any technical background. They had software developers who could develop the software, engineers to do that, to build it. They had salespeople that could sell products, but they didn't have anybody that could actually support and be able to talk I should say, the collision world lingo, knowing what they're talking about and how to repair cars. And so I was able to bring that bridge to, fill in that void that they were missing. 20 years ago, I graduated from this program. I never thought that I'd get to where I'm at, working for the Matrix Wand. I don't actually work on vehicles at all, but because I took this program, and with my experience over the years, it's opened up, other doors to other opportunities, and that's one of the things that I always tell students is that. You never know what roads you may take in life that lead you to other things, but experience could take you there. People think, you take this program, you're just going to be hammering on a car, but we've got students that have gone into the estimating field, they've gone into engineering fields and welding, because a lot of various things that you learn in this program working on vehicles, to even how I'm doing technical support and some R&D on software, working with computers, because of what I learned working on vehicles.